There are so many website builders out there, and of course, each and every one of them claims to be the best website builder, but not every builder can be the best for you. So in this video, let me break down the most popular and best website builder options and explain what kind of users they're actually best for. I'm going to cover a lot of providers in this one, but all of these website builders are still handpicked by me. After testing countless no-code website builders, these are the ones that truly made the cut. And if at any point you go, yeah, this one is exactly what I need, you can grab a discount right away from the description. Yes, I've got deals for all of them down there. Let's start this review with the best website builder for e-commerce, Shopify. It focuses on tools built specifically for running an online store. It offers a rich feature set, and there are apps on top of apps on top of apps, letting you extend functionality in almost any direction you can imagine. The interface is user-friendly and purpose-built for e-commerce. It can feel a little rigid at times, but you can usually install apps to regain flexibility and tweak controls, layouts, or workflows. Payments and inventory management are major strengths as well. Shopify's payment gateway options are solid, and its localization tools are strong too, covering currencies, languages, and regional settings. That said, the cost structure can get pretty steep. It's not the cheapest builder out there, and monthly fees can add up quickly once you start stacking paid apps. Customization outside of the core e-commerce experience is also limited. Shopify really excels at being a store builder, not a fully flexible website builder. Still, for many businesses, that trade-off is worth it. And if that sounds like you, grab the biggest Shopify discount from the description. Shopify pricing isn't actually that steep when you use my Shopify coupon code, but you might still be looking for something much more affordable, like the IONOS website builder. Not only does it offer strong performance and its own AI website generator, but it also has $1 plans for the first year. Honestly, that price is crazy low, especially considering what you get. The free domain for the first year alone practically covers that cost. On top of that, you get business email, marketing tools, and a competitor monitoring tool, which is something no other provider really offers. The IONOS website builder itself is very beginner friendly, with AI prompt-based setup and drag and drop controls for editing. That said, it does come with limited design flexibility, especially when compared to more established builders. Another downside is the lack of third-party app integrations, with some categories having nothing available at all. On the flip side, if you need a simple website fast and want to avoid overpaying, IONOS could be the best website builder option for you. Just make sure to use the IONOS coupon code from the description to lock in that low entry price. Another beginner-friendly website builder comes from HostGator. Just like IONOS, it's also quite affordable and bundles hosting together with its builder. And yeah, their plan names never really get old. Babies, hatchlings, and eventually they grow up and get, you know what? Never mind. Either way, even the most affordable HostGator plan comes with a solid amount of resources. Overall, it's a very beginner-focused builder, not only because it's easy to use, but also because the customer support is genuinely helpful. There are also plenty of help articles if you prefer figuring things out at your own pace. There are some downsides though, mainly when it comes to customization. The template selection compared to other premium builders isn't very wide, and many of them feel pretty bare bones. For me, the dashboard also felt a bit sluggish. You click one thing, wait, click another thing, and wait again. With all that said, it's still a solid website builder for simple sites like portfolios, thanks to a decent amount of resources at an affordable price, especially if you use my discount from the description. Now, on the other hand, some creatives will want better template options for their portfolio website. If you want a site that looks unique and, unlike HostGator, has templates as a strength instead of a weakness, then Squarespace is your best bet. It offers high-quality, award-winning templates, honestly, some of the best any builder has. That does come at a higher price though. Another downside is a limited number of third-party integrations, which can make it harder to build very specific or custom setups. Squarespace does have an AI website design builder, or at least that's what Squarespace calls it. To me, it feels more like an onboarding tool. It's not bad, but it's not a true AI builder where a full site is created from a prompt. While there are builders I wouldn't recommend for e-commerce, Squarespace isn't one of them. It offers plenty of e-commerce features and lets you build an online shop pretty easily, even if you're a complete beginner. It also includes built-in marketing tools and SEO, plus the Unfold app, which lets you create great-looking social posts. I also really enjoy the building experience here, since the interface stays out of the way and you instantly see the impact of your edits. Overall, if visuals are your top priority, Squarespace is the best website builder for portfolio. And with my discount link from the description, the price becomes much more reasonable for what you're getting. Nothing really beats the price and value you get with HostGator though. It's somehow one of the very best website builders while also being one of the most affordable. The more complete business plan usually costs less than many competitors' entry plans, yet it includes plenty of resources, one of the best AI toolkits out there, and an AI website builder, including one for WordPress. HostGator's builder is insanely intuitive. The drag and drop controls feel smooth, and the tools you get alongside them are very easy to understand. Despite offering a good amount of customization, it's still the builder I tend to recommend for almost any beginner. Performance is also excellent for the price. That said, HostGator's builder does lean towards simplicity. Its features aren't as advanced as some high-end competitors, and third-party integrations are still limited. On the plus side, if you ever want to lift those limits, you can switch to WordPress at any time since it's included with HostGator plans, and you can even export your website directly to WordPress. Overall, it's hands down the most versatile website builder with the best value for your money. Just don't forget to use my HostGator discount for the lowest price possible. You can scan the QR code or click the link in the description. Now, if you want to pay even less than with HostGator or nothing at all, then Site123 is worth considering. Its always free plan is great for students or anyone just testing the waters. It's a straightforward, quick to launch website builder that really shines in simplicity, offering one of the fastest setup processes out there. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, keeping things beginner friendly, even if it doesn't look very modern. That said, Site123's design flexibility is quite limited. Many of its templates feel outdated and customization options are minimal. Integrations with external services are also lacking, with even some basic Google-related features causing issues. Add basic SEO tools and somewhat hidden pricing details, and the platform can feel a bit inconsistent. Still, if you want a no-fuss, fast, and simple builder with a genuinely free plan, Site123 gets the job done. Next up is a more serious best website builder solution, Bluehost. Why more serious? Because Bluehost operates within the WordPress ecosystem. That said, it focuses on making WordPress as simple as possible and is even developing an AI builder for it. The experience blends traditional WordPress flexibility with a more guided, beginner-friendly setup. You still get all the classic WordPress hosting advantages, including SEO tools, performance features, staging environments, and solid security options, all wrapped into Bluehost's streamlined workflow. Customer support is a major plus here as well, especially with access to the WordPress Academy, which makes learning the platform far less intimidating for newcomers. That said, it's not the best website builder for beginners. You do need to understand basic WordPress fundamentals, and design flexibility doesn't quite match what dedicated site builders offer. Still, if your goal is to build on WordPress, Bluehost remains one of the best starting points. Its support, onboarding, and educational resources make it one of the easiest paths into mastering WordPress. To get the best Bluehost price, check the links in the description. Another good website builder and hosting package worth considering is GoDaddy. Its website builder benefits from strong brand recognition, reliable hosting, and a clean, modern interface that makes setup fast and beginner-friendly. The guided editor feels smooth and responsive, offering a solid variety of templates, built-in SEO tools, and plenty of business features, especially Arrow, which helps automate essential business tasks like creating a logo for you. However, GoDaddy is pricier than most competitors in this review. Design flexibility is also limited. While you can change styles, site structures tend to feel very similar, making it hard to build something truly unique. E-commerce tools can be a bit confusing as well, and the dashboard often makes it unclear which features you already have versus which ones are upsells. Overall, it's a decent choice for simplicity and built-in business tools, but not ideal if you need deeper customization. For a more user-friendly experience, consider Weebly. It's a website builder with a simple drag-and-drop interface and an impressively easy e-commerce setup, which makes it great for beginners and small stores. Its templates are mobile responsive, and the overall design experience is smooth and intuitive. That said, Weebly hasn't really kept pace with more modern builders. Its template selection feels limited for 2026, customization options are fairly constrained, and third-party integrations lag behind competitors. Blogging tools are also quite basic, which can be a downside if content is meant to be a core part of your site. Overall, Weebly is solid for effortless setup and small online stores, but it's not the best choice if you're looking for more modern features. All right, if you want a website builder that's much more customizable and not WordPress, Wix is the best choice. It offers an incredibly flexible drag and drop website builder and a huge app market packed with extra features. The template library is massive, especially with premium professional designs from Base 44, which is its AI app builder. Wix also performs really well in e-commerce, blogging, and even allows full coding integration. That same flexibility can be a downside for beginners though. The platform can start to feel overwhelming as your site grows, and opening the full Wix interface just to access a few tools can feel sluggish, especially on larger and more feature-heavy sites. Overall, Wix is an excellent option for users who want deep customization and advanced capabilities, but it may be too much if you prefer simplicity or predictable low pricing. And of course, don't forget, I've got a discount link in the description. All right, so that wraps up the Best Website Builder 2026 lineup worth considering. The overall best, most versatile, and beginner-friendly builder with the best price to value ratio is HostGator. If you need a simple builder at the lowest starting price, go with IONOS. If you're ready to build with WordPress, Bluehost is a solid pick. If you're after maximum customization without jumping into WordPress, Wix is your top website builder choice. If you're a creative or just want the best looking site possible, Squarespace is hard to beat. And if selling online is your main goal, it's tough to beat Shopify as the best e-commerce website builder. That sums it up. Whichever best website builder you choose, don't overpay and make sure to use the discount links in the description. Thanks for watching this website builder comparison all the way to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.